Hello guys, use my phone Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro version 6GB RAM memory and 128GB Intel memory, onyx gray color. Okay, look complementation to the device. In complementation we have protected back cover. Okay, adapter for charging and micro and USB Type-C cable. Okay. And now talk about device. Device made of glass and plastic. On the back side quad camera and LED. On the front side 6.7-inch display. Slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. On the right side power key and volume keys. Downside micro USB port, USB Type-C port, speaker and microphone. Upside headphones jack. Turn on display. We have full HD resolution display. This AMOLED display 120 Hz. About phone MIUI Global 10.0.6 and Android 11. Open Geekbench 5, talk about system information. Qualcomm Snapdragon 732. This octa-core processor 6 plus 2 cores. GPU Adreno 618. Resolution and display PPA. Look results. Okay, this test doesn't work. Open Antutu benchmark. Look, only these results. Antutu benchmark results. Very good result. Okay, close this. Okay, and now talk about games. Start the main game GTA San Andreas. Look how this game works on the device. Display setup max and start game. Okay, game works very good on the max graphic level, perfect, without lags and glitches. Very smooth gameplay. Okay, and now I'll show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.